All right, your exams are open and ready for you. There are two parts to your final exam. Part one is multiple choice, and part two is an essay. This part one, where it has your lesson, there's not really a lesson in there. It's just giving you a little inspiration, I guess, to get through your exam. You can go through that or not. There's nothing really in there. So you'll just click on your exam when you are ready. You'll click start. All right. You can start this and then you can save it. If you aren't ready to finish it and just want to, take a break, you can save and exit. If you totally finish it, then you'll click submit all answers. All right, let's take a look and see how many questions. Looks like 30. I think it's 36, but maybe 33. Okay. All right. So it's 33 questions. All right. And a lot of them are, um, what does the word mean in this context type of things. All right. So just make sure you take the time to review it. Here's what do these lines tell you about the attitude men on Earth had toward any men on Mars? Which of these statements best describe humans as they are depicted in this paragraph? All right. So again, just make sure, take your time. And again, if you need a break, just save and exit. All right. And when you come back to it, then you can finish it up. Okay. Take your time. You're only getting one grade in Power School. So it's just going to be your final grade. Okay. But this is important. All right. And it's worth a lot of points. So do your best. And that is your exam part one. While I'm here, I'll go over exam part two, which is the essay. So let's take a look at this. And you click start. All right. And then you can type your response down here, or you can type it on a Google Doc um, and then put it in there, submit it. Okay. Um, so you have probably seen these before. Horry County uses these. These are the ACT prompts, writing prompts. So some of you, since you're juniors, may have already taken the ACT or the pre-ACT. So you've probably seen these prompts before. All right. So your prompt is going to be about college sports. All right. Um, read through this. All right. And basically, you are responding to should colleges continue to support their sports teams? All right. So read this first. It gives you a little background information. All right. Then they give you three perspectives. Okay. So then what you're going to do for your essay is you are going to say, um, you can agree with perspective one and disagree with two and three. You can agree with two and three, disagree with one. You can partially agree with one, partially disagree with one, or you can come up with your own perspective on the issue and provide evidence for that. Okay, so just take a look at this. It tells you what to look for. And again, this is part two of your final exam. All right.